Sustainability isn't just the way things are built. Sustainability is also the way we live in the things we built. Sustainability is the economics and the relationship of the built environment from that perspective to the overall community as a whole. How does it affect the overall community? The homes and the buildings that we work and live in order for them to be sustainable, they have to pay respect and interact with all these other elements of sustainability in the community setting, in the state and regional setting, and really in a global setting. Everything we do, from the smallest thing to the large projects and the interactions between countries even, need to reflect principles of sustainability if they are going to last. Using those principles of sustainability, develop a housing cluster or a little housing community that pays respect in the relationships of the houses to the land. We'll start with that. The other is sustainability of economics. How much will these cost? Because it's important, if they're going to be a sustainable community, that they be affordable housing and that they be affordable to live in. So the selection of materials for the houses and how they're constructed will affect how much the houses cost to build. The techniques and the building science involved in the houses will determine how much the houses cost to live in when we're there. The other piece that we'll develop is infrastructure, the kinds of things that we need to support those houses. That includes the ability to move through the community. So how will we move through the community? How will people interact with each other? How will we turn the lights on, and where will the source of that electricity come from? How will we stay warm? And what resources will be used to keep warmth in the buildings? And then water and wastewater. How we deal with good fresh water to make ourselves healthy, and also how we deal with our waste, both human waste and the waste from living there. Are we recycling our human waste, and are we recycling the things that we use? Those are all things that we would like to consider in the way these houses are built and how we live in them. There's no manual that's written on how to live sustainably. It's something we're all feeling our way through. So the first step really is to recognize and think about how you live, to recognize the way you're living. Live responsibly. And you'll develop an understanding of how your behaviors and the way you live relate to everything else. And that's the step toward a sustainable life.